Милена,
С возвращением, Владимир.
ты создала для нас армию?
Дело выгодное и правое.
My comrades, we stand reunited! For your efforts in my absence and our success today, I offer you praise. И наказание. Иван, из-за того, что ты отверг мой план, мы потеряли драгоценное время. А время решает все.
Командир, я принял правильное решение.
Каждый несет ответственности за свои ошибки. Андрей, ты доказал свою преданность. Теперь ты моя правая рука.
Спасибо, командир.
My fellow warriors, I wasn't here, but I was always with you. Since then, our enemies have grown stronger. The ULF has stolen back control of Uzbekistan. The time has come for us to show them the meaning of true power. This is a battle of perception. A lie flies while the truth only grows. If you control what people believe, you control the world. This is our weapon. And we will use it as a tool of war to restore glory to Russia. The real Russia! The West, they love their choices. They will have only one. To respond on our terms. Каждая секунда на счет.
When Makarov escaped, he mobilized his army on multiple fronts. Kony Group hit the Urzikstan port before sunrise. Farah was there.
She hurt?
Negative. Her team engaged, took casualties. Left Kony with a kill count of her own.
Good on you, Farah. What'd they get from the port?
A shipment of American missiles.
Kony's got their own missiles. What does Makarov want these for?
We need to find out. I'm tracking them now. Once I get a fix, we'll action it.
You said multiple fronts, Laswell. Give us a target.
Kony forces are converging on a nuclear power plant in Urzikstan as we speak.
Is the plant active?
Abandoned when the ULF beat Barkov.
Then what's there?
All four of you, as soon as you can.
Rog, Ghost and I'll recce the plant. Soap and gas secure the perimeter. If Makarov's going nuclear, we'll stop him in his tracks.
Solid copy. Let's get after it, Bravo. One minute. Tight! Quake's good to go. That's our gear on the ground if we need it. We will. Ramp. 30 seconds. Right, pull altitude is 2,000 ATL. Count it close. That's how we do. Roger up at a rally point. Check. Stand by. Go.
Watcher 1 to Bravo, ISR is overhead. Be advised, Kony has 3 helos on the ground, locations marked with orange smoke.
Extract points for the nuclear material.
Affirmative. These helos are your primary targets. Destroy them and we can keep this truck contained.
Roger. Move to Overwatch.
Противник, возле меня! Прикрывай!
Found a SAM turret.
If there's an enemy helo in the AO, target it.
Sentries are on you, Bravo.
Helo's taking damage. Get loud. All stations, first target's down.
6, you've got reinforcements approaching the area. Stay sharp.
The explosion got Connie's attention. Enemy inbound.
Captain, still not picking up any radiation. Johnny, Garrick, anything?
Nagel. Neither is Coney. If there's no radioactive material, what's Coney after?
Stay on it, find out. Helo's almost done for. Second helo's down.
Good work. One more to go. Bravo, be advised. Coney birds approaching with reinforcements.
You poked the bear, 6. More Coney headed your way.
Seven, any change in radiation?
Negative, Watcher.
Doesn't make sense. They should be in the reactor by now.
Power's off. Doors are sealed.
Well, let's keep it that way.
Good kill. Bravo 6, be advised. Coney armored helo is overhead.
Attack helo's dug in.
Stay low. See if you can get the drop on your price.
Attack helo's on me!
Anti-air measures will get it off. Bird down, Price. Nice one.
You're in their sight, 6.
Enemy helo's going down. Last helo destroyed.
Nice work. Whatever Coney's after stays on the ground. Be advised, Bravo 6. Coney has entered the reactor. You need to get down there.
Move into the reactor. Still in contact.
Copy that. All Bravo, collapse on the reactor now. Reactor's in the center of the facility, John. Look for the dome building.
I'm at the entrance, Watcher.
Copy that.
Make an entry.
John, you're breaking up. Losing signal.
Enemy helo overhead. It's at the reactor. Deployed rope.
One find something. They're bringing in secondary extraction. We have to stop them now.
All stations, Coney's extracting canisters from the reactor.
6, can you confirm the content?
Negative. All Bravo, put fire on that helo. Bring it down. Engaging. All stations, Coney's extracting chemical weapons.
Coney taking the gas out on that helo. We're gonna lose him.
Watcher, can you track him?
On it, Ghost. Stand by.
6, reactors sealed. I'm locked in.
6, ISR shows Coney personnel entering the reactor.
I can't stay up here, there's no cover. Hard point where you can. We're inbound. Heads up, Coney's taking the high ground. Coney, I'm exposed up here, I need to move.
Take cover, Captain. We're almost there.
Can't stay up here, there's no cover! Fuck the high ground!
Captain, we're up top.
Grab the rope! Get out of that gas, right up the rope! Got it! Grab my hand! Got it! We got you, Cap! Stay with us, sir. Cap. Cap! Stay with us, sir!
6-2 to Watcher, we need medevac now.
Morning, sir.
Take it easy, Cap. You beat the gas, but you still need some time to recover.
I'm fine.
Got a headache? Nausea?
Always.
He's good.
Was worried your face was gonna melt off like those other poor bastards. You ask me, it'd be an improvement. Coney got away with the chemicals. Affirmative. Makarov has been out of prison for 6 hours and he's already ahead of us. The fuck is in that gas?
Remnants of Barkov's program.
Sarin. Highly concentrated, far more lethal.
One pod contaminated the whole area.
They made off with enough to kill a whole country. Right now, he's in Farrow's backyard. We've got to find her.